friends, welcome to today's video. IPER conducted a 2-day skill development training program at Swami Himalayan University, Dehradun.
The School of Pharmaceutical Sciences at Swami Himalayan University, Dehradun believes in nurturing a pharma community who has the ability of critical thinking, entrepreneurship and creativity, and also developing an environment of discovery, innovation and expression. We believe very strongly that students are not born that bright, but we here at the school train them, shape them and sharpen them. We all know that globally the scenario is changing, and with the disruptive technologies coming into existence and coming into the milieu, the students have to be groomed and nurtured in an entirely different way, and here sets in their skill development and giving them that extra what is not generally available in the classroom teaching and the curriculum which is generally designed for their learning process and preparing them for the futuristic professional challenges what they feel.
On day 1, Scope and Potential after Pharmacy Galaxy of Job Opportunities was conducted.
The single largest commodity which is exported is the drugs and the medicines along with medical devices. How many people knows in the society? That means the world is dependent on the quality and efficacy of Indian medicine as well as the devices. And 200 countries we are exporting.
So, the mind is the software on which the entire body is running on. Okay? Now, when you start thinking about the mind, there are two parts of the mind. One is a negative mind and one is a positive mind.
So talk confidently in that case, but give the benefits. And after the benefits, you link the product benefits. Doctor, this product will work faster because its disintegration time is just 2 minutes. And when disintegration time is 2 minutes, dissolution will be faster. The drug will reach faster to the cellular site, and actually the temperature or the pain will be reduced immediately. That means you are talking the product benefit later, patient benefit first. Your patient will feel comfortable in 3 hours because the disintegration time of this tablet is 2 minutes. Doctor will always remember that.
प्राइस की बात करूं तो छोटे दाम में भी आएगी, बड़ी भी आएगी, छोटी भी आएगी और बड़ी वॉल्यूम में आएगी। और ये इसलिए सबसे बेस्ट क्रीम है क्योंकि ये लाइट है। लगाओगे हैवी क्रीम है, उसके लिए पहले आपको स्किन मॉइस्ट करनी पड़ती है एंड देन वो अप्लाई करते हो। ये सीधा डायरेक्ट अप्लाई कर सकते हो। एंड क्या हो माँ जी, आप लगा नहीं पा रहे हो, मैं आपकी मदद कर देता हूँ। ठीक है, पैसे नहीं हो रहे, मैं बात नहीं दूंगा। ऐसे करके मैंने माँ जी के एडियो में लगा दिया। ठीक है, ऐसे फिर माँ जी होगी इम्प्रेस। अब ऐसे करके मैं प्रोडक्ट बेच सकता हूँ या फिर किसी और कस्टमर पे जा सकता हूँ।
On day 2, program on Pharma Brand Management to generate prescriptions was conducted. Students also underwent a practical detailing session and learned how to detail products in front of the doctor.
May I come in, sir?
Yes, please come.
Morning, sir. Hello, sir.
Yes, hello.
How are you, sir?
Yes, I am fine. Afternoon is very pleasant.
Yes, sir. It's such a nice weather, sir.
Yeah. Have a seat.
Thank you so much, sir.
You are representing which company?
Sir, Telpex.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
I'm representing this company.
Hmm.
Sir, which has vitamin D3 in itself.
Achha, along with calcium, D3 is also there.
Yes,
Very
which
good.
helps in the absorption of the calcium.
Hmm.
And it contains vitamin C also, which
Oh,
is
vitamin C is
coated-
also there.
Yes, sir, and we have dibasic calcium phosphate in it. and calcium hypophosphate also in it.
Okay.
That's all.
Okay. So calcium deficiency I should prescribe.
Yes.
Cal B6.
Yes,
Okay.
that will be
Okay. Good. This is your first call?
good. Yes.
Okay, good. You are doing good. Please come regularly. I will prescribe the
Have a
drug.
nice day.
Thank you.
I'm very happy to share that Institute of Pharmaceutical Education and Research Pune, IPER, under the able leadership of its director Dr. Mahesh Burande and its CEO Mr. Samir Burande, has been doing wonderful in this field, where the skilling and the polishing of the students, especially related to their professional, I would say the drive for their placements in the marketing field, in the industrial scenario, and also understanding that what exactly their professional world expects from them, whichever arena they want to go, be it academic, be it research or marketing, or the manufacturing side, or quality assurance, quality control. So these sessions, these 2-day skill certification programs which are offered by IPER, and I would like to share that I have been very fortunate to be conducting these programs with the collaboration with IPER in almost 4 of the organizations where I have worked at various leadership positions. And I personally have attended all these lectures, and I really feel that at this age also I get motivated when I hear those sessions, which are quite technically driven, as well as bringing about that positive attitude and that grooming, that personality grooming of the student. It is not only just the technical part, but also mentally, psychologically, and professionally, how well you are groomed and how you face your futuristic interactions and interviews at various professional platforms wherever the student wants to pursue their career. So having that attitude and approach towards that particular career, and then learning the nuances of that career, is something which is brought out extremely well in the modules which have been designed by IPER. And I'm very happy to say that students really come out in these sessions. They open up, they enjoy the interactive sessions, they ask questions, and at the end of the day, when you take that feedback, it is so satisfying to see that it has been worthwhile, and the students get an overall, I would say, a personality enhancement and a degree of confidence to face the futuristic challenges in their life. Thank you.
Good afternoon everyone, my name is Arimbad. I'm B.Pharm second year student, School of Pharmaceutical Science, Swami Himalayan University. तो आज हमने 2 दिन का सर्टिफिकेशन कोर्स किया, जिसमें कि हमने बहुत सारे हम लोग आफ्टर B.Pharm क्या कोर्सेज कर सकते हैं और किन किन फील्ड्स में जा सकते हैं, ये सब सीखा। और उसके साथ में ही हम लोग सेल्स में, R&D में, क्वालिटी एश्योरेंस में और बाकी सब डिपार्टमेंट में कैसे स्टार्ट कर सकते हैं। स्टार्टिंग में हमें क्या क्या परेशानियाँ आएंगी, जिन्हें हमें टैकल करना पड़ेगा। उसके बाद हम लोग कैसे इन डिपार्टमेंट में अपना करियर बना सकते हैं। इसी के साथ में हमने बहुत सारे स्किल्स और क्या क्या स्किल्स हम B.Pharm और आफ्टर B.Pharm डेवलप कर सकते हैं। अगर हमें सेल्स में जाना है तो हमें क्या क्या डिप्लोमास करने पड़ेंगे, ये सब सीखा। थैंक यू।
Hi, my name is Anadi Bhattpal. I'm studying in second year. It is very auspicious us to see Mahesh sir and Samir sir. It is very enjoyable and interesting sessions, and we enjoy it. And the best part, the best sentence what I listen and I get it is when Samir sir said there is a difference between leader and a follower, and this line I will memorize and I will. Thank you so much.
School of Pharmaceutical Sciences, Swami Himalayan University. jointly conducted with Institute of Pharmaceutical Education and Research a 2-day certifications program on the for the B Pharma student, and the theme of this program was scope and potential after the pharmacy, and they share their valuable insights and their practical experience among our students. The program was so good, so excellent. It's personally my experience, and actually the main aim to conduct such kind of the program is to inculcate the some confidence and skill and practical readiness among the students, and the main focus area to conduct such this program is to bridging the gap between the academic learning and industrial requirement actually. Thankful to the resource persons, Dr. Burande, those conducted such a nice program, and we will be look forward for the in the future for conducting such kind of the other program also. Thank you.
Thank you for watching and see you next time.